Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and lush meadows, there lived a young girl named Lily. She was known far and wide for her kindness and compassion. Lily's village was known for its beautiful gardens, each tended to with love and care by the villagers. One day, a mysterious old man arrived in the village. He wore tattered clothes and carried a worn-out bag. The villagers were hesitant about the stranger, but Lily, always guided by her kind heart, approached him with a warm smile. The old man introduced himself as Mr. Wisdom. He explained that he had traveled far and wide, searching for a special place to plant the seeds of kindness. Lily's village, he believed, was the perfect place for his mission. He handed Lily a small pouch filled with magical seeds. "These seeds will grow into the most beautiful flowers," Mr. Wisdom said. "But there's a catch. Only those who show true kindness will be able to see them." Lily eagerly accepted the challenge and decided to plant the seeds in the heart of the village. She gathered a group of children, and together they began to nurture the soil, water the seeds, and shower them with love and care. The village watched in anticipation, curious about the mysterious flowers that were said to bloom only for the kind-hearted. Days turned into weeks, and the villagers grew restless. Some began to doubt the authenticity of Mr. Wisdom's seeds. Lily, however, remained patient and steadfast in her belief in the magic of kindness. One day, as the sun painted the sky with hues of pink and orange, the village square erupted with vibrant colors. The magical flowers had finally bloomed, revealing a breathtaking sight that filled the hearts of those who witnessed it with joy and wonder. News of the enchanting garden spread like wildfire, and people from neighboring villages came to witness the beauty for themselves. The garden became a symbol of kindness, and visitors marveled at the idea that such magic could exist in a world where kindness was often overlooked. Lily's village became known as the Village of Kindness, and its people were admired for their compassionate hearts. The once skeptical villagers had learned a valuable lesson, that true beauty lies in the kindness we show to one another. However, as the village basked in the glory of its newfound reputation, an unexpected challenge arose. A neighboring village, driven by envy and greed, decided to steal the magical seeds of kindness. Led by a cunning leader named Greedon, they sneaked into the Village of Kindness under the cover of night and stole the pouch containing the precious seeds. The next morning, Lily discovered the theft and realized that the neighboring village was responsible. Instead of harboring anger and seeking revenge, Lily decided to embark on a journey to retrieve the seeds. She believed that even those consumed by greed could change with a little sprinkle of kindness. Lily traveled for days, crossing rivers and climbing mountains until she reached the neighboring village. There he started looking for that pouch of stolen seeds. She looked for here and there, but she got nothing. Then one day she found a clue that the stolen seeds pouch is hidden in the perilous place. Finally she found it. There, she confronted Greedon. Instead of accusing him, She spoke of the beauty that kindness had brought to her village and the transformation it could bring to his. Greedon, touched by Lily's sincerity, began to question his own actions. Lily planted a seed of kindness in his heart, hoping it would grow into something beautiful. She returned to her village, leaving behind a glimmer of hope in Greedon's eyes. Months passed, and the stolen seeds started to grow in the neighboring village. The once barren land now blossomed with vibrant flowers, much to the amazement of Greedon and his people. The transformation was not just in the landscape, it was also in the hearts of the villagers who had experienced the magic of kindness.